Physics is Newtonian physics.
Yes, sir.
Okay. After Einstein and all these people, we have got quantum physics. Physics is the level of the subatomic particle. Metaphysics is spirituality. It is beyond quantum physics. But quantum physics gives the indication to the metaphysics. Normal physics doesn't give you an indication of the metaphysics. But from normal Newtonian physics, if you go to the quantum physics, from quantum physics you can easily go to the metaphysics. So quantum physics is a beautiful field whereby you can understand metaphysics very easily. From Newtonian physics you can't understand the metaphysics. From quantum physics you can easily understand the metaphysics. Yes.
Einstein said E equals mc square. So that is physics.
The relation between matter and energy is normal physics. The relation between energy and consciousness is metaphysics.
Metaphysics. Yes.
The relationship between matter and energy is normal physics.
Normal physics.
The relationship between energy and consciousness,
Yes, sir.
that is metaphysics.
Yes.
Consciousness is nothing but your thoughts, your thinking. Your thinking energizes. Understand? I will give you small examples. One person, Mr. Ted Sirius, if he looks at you, okay, Satyanarayan, and he closes his eyes, he got an image of Satyanarayan. And with closed eyes, he will project that image to a photographic film, and Satyanarayan will come here.
Right, sir.
So the photograph of Satyanarayan will come here because he is thinking of Satyanarayan, he is keeping the form here, closing the eyes. So that is thought and energy. Ted Sirius has been doing it. And Yuri Geller, he can bend spoons with his mind thought power.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What is that? Connection between energy and thought.
Energy.
Thought is conscious. So matter and energy is physics, energy and thought is metaphysics.
Yeah.
If you can appreciate physics, you should appreciate more of metaphysics. That is higher physics.